Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. Exercise number 85 legal matter for Chandigarh High Courts at the rate 100 word per minute 600 words. Be ready, start. Payments made by the bank from time to time were not accompanied with any covering letter intimating the relative bill numbers. It was for this reason that particulars of the bills raised and of the payments received had been given in Annexure 2 to the plaint and the amounts outstanding shown. Stop. It was further averred that the bank had in its power and possession the material from which the interrogatories could be answered. The trial court has void the order impunged in this petition dismissed the application holding that the questions posed by way of interrogatories could be asked during the course of the cross-examination. The reasoning given by the trial court for dismissal of the application is certainly not tenable in law. Merely because the interrogatories could form the question which could be put in cross-examination is no basis for denying the interrogatories. Stop. Certainly whatever can form the subject matter of interrogatories can form the subject matter of cross-examination. Next. But notwithstanding the same, a provision therefore has been made in the CPC. Stop. The interrogatories are aimed at facilitating proof of the case and to save the costs which may be incurred in adducing evidence to prove the necessary facts. Cross-examination may not be necessary in view of the replies to the interrogatories. Thus, the test to be applied in dealing with an application for discovery by interrogatories is not whether it can form subject matter of cross-examination or not, but is of relevancy and expediency. Stop. In the present case, the suit is for recovery of balance amount stated to be due on a large number of bills stated to have been raised by the plaintiff on the bank. From the reply of the plaintiff to the application for interrogatories, the plaintiff has admitted that some of the bills which were claimed to be due may have been paid in full or in part. The plaintiff attempted to explain away the same by contending that the payments made by the bank could not be related to the bills owing to the bank note specifying that the payment was with respect to which bill. The question between the parties is thus of accounts. The queries with respect to such accounts are best answered by delivery of interrogatories. Stop. If such queries were to be made in cross-examination, the plaintiff may not be in a position to answer the same immediately for an availability of requisite material. Stop. The same would result either in the cross-examination being deferred leading to delays and costs or to evasive answers. Stop. On the contrary, interrogatories can be answered by the party at its leisure and after pursuing all records available at its office upon residence and also by making inquiries, if any necessary, from its other staff members in know of the matter. Stop. Answers to the interrogatories will also lead to reduction in the time taken by the court in recording cross-examination and help in crystallizing the cross-examination. It was expressly held that it was no reason for declining to answer the interrogatory that the same information may be got by cross examination at trial. Sardadhir versus Ashok Kumar Makija, laying down that the object of interrogatories is that the party knows the nature of his opponent's case beforehand in order to meet it at the hearing, that in a given case the pleadings may not sufficiently disclose the nature of the party's case, and in order to make good the deficiencies, this rule has been enacted that the court should not be hyper technical at the stage of serving the interrogatories. Full stop.